Hello guys, welcome to the channel The Funny Brown Travelers. So today I want to show you how to make momos. Momos is a northeast Indian dish which is very popular in India, and many foreigners who come to India, they like it very much, and whenever they go back to their house they especially remember this dish, and the name of dish is momos. So as you remember, in the last video vlog I showed you the sauce of momos, which can be used with different things like spernale, chicken wings, sandwiches, pasta and everything. So today I'm gonna show you the best complementary thing with that sauce, the Indian momos. Follow me in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you. It's very easy. You just need few things like milte. Milte is flour, water, little bit oil, salt and minced chicken. That's it. These are the things required to make momos. So let's go in the kitchen and start the momos preparation. Follow me guys. So guys, right now in my kitchen and I'm going to prepare momos, and it's an Indian dish. So for this we required flour. So for Lithuanian guys, I will speak English in Lithuanian also. First I will say in English all the ingredients, then in Lithuanian. So flour, which in Lithuanian is milte, aliejus, oil, salt, druska, chicken vištiana, and little bit of sugar, sucrose. First of all, we need to take one cup of flour, 20 ml oil, 1 tablespoon of druska, and we will add in room temperature the water, and we will make like the base we make for pizzas or tortilla, and we will all add in milte, and with hands, or if you have with machine, you can mix it well, and after that the texture will look like this. After mixing milte, oil, water and little bit of salt and sugar, the final product will come like this. It should be this much soft. When you put your finger, it should be like this. And after making this, you have to cover it for almost 10 minutes and left it in some room temperature. And other than this, we need chicken like little bit mince and little bit hand cutted. It should be small pieces. As you can see, I added garlic because I like garlic, and you can add whatever you want. You can make it with turkey, you can make it with beef, you can make it with chicken. You can add onions, you can add green onions, you can add cabbage, you can add carrot, whatever the vegetables you like. For now I just making it with garlic and chicken because, as I said, man patinka vištiana, I like chicken, and so that's why I just use all chicken. And the main step of making this momos is how you combine milte and vištiana together. In Lithuania, people usually like to eat koldune. It's same like that, but it will be little different. I will tell you, you can fry it or you can steam it. These are the two ways. And if you like shashlik, you can on charcoal make it with some marination. It's very delicious. So let's roll it, and I will show you how to roll it perfectly. Hygiene is very important. You should always clean your hands and maintain hygiene, because this product we are making with our hands, so it's good if you cleaning your hands repeatedly, because to prevent cross contamination. So as I showed you, this milte after 15 minutes just look like this. Now to make it a little bit easy, we will make small rolls from this, and it should be not bigger than like this much cut. So the easy way of making rolls is like this. It should be not much big or not much small. So what you can do is do like this, from thumb make like this. It will come like a ball, and then press it at the end and take this excessive outside, and a nice roll like this will be formed. Fireworks going on. I just rolled the chicken in two different forms. As I said, this one is with chicken. This one is in video as well as with chicken, but I just want to tell you, if you are making with vegetables, just so you can make shapes like this, and for chicken shape like this, so you can know the distinction, like shape like this is vegetarian and shape like this is non-vegetarian. So guys, if you want to eat this momos by frying, you can eat it like fried momos, or you can also steam it. Not boil it in direct water. You have to put something so that it just get the steam of water. Yeah, so you can eat it in these two ways, or you can marinate it and bake in oven, or do like shashlik. Shashlik gives it a very beautiful taste. And so today vlog is almost over, and I wish you guys a very nice week ahead and a beautiful life to all. So see you guys in my next vlog, and please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, with your family, and for my special Lithuanian family, my friends, I gonna make some videos in Lithuanian also, and I gonna teach you Lithuanian. Even I don't know much Lithuanian, but I gonna teach you some basic Lithuanian also in this channel. So guys, subscribe it, share it, and comment down.